everybody, with Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, I'm Mike Emery. Tonight we have two teams from the Eastern Conference for you. It's a contest between the New York Islanders and the Carolina Hurricanes. And before the face-off, here's Eddie.
The Eastern Conference is high-flying, goal-scoring fun for the fans. We've seen some creative plays and some prolific players on this side of the league, and this game will feature some of that offensive skill.
Face-off number one gets us underway. Along with Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, I'm Mike Emmerich, and this playoff game is underway. And snap to Teravainen. That's a great save.
You got to battle through a screenplay.
Play stopped. It's Ray Ferraro time.
New York's looking for a better effort than they got in Game 1. They played well in spits and spurts, but trailing 1-0, this game becomes super important.
It's dropped. They lock up, and that's a good shot by the winger. That was a big hit.
Raz apparently got the memo here. This is going to be a physical game. Both teams are going to want to get on the body, but he wants his club to have the upper hand.
Can make a play from the corner. And at an angle to Boychuk. Takes a look from the corner. Smart recovery by Eberle. An enormous hit.
I really like the effort that he's trying there to generate a turnover by finishing his check.
Skates along the line. Score! Great start on home ice, an early lead.
Now that the scoring's been opened up, we'll see if the opponent can punch their way back into this game. You can't be back on your heels too long.
The Islanders have broken the tie. Perhaps they can build on this lead here in the first period. They've won the faceoff. Stick used like a magic wand by Hamilton. Into the attacking end. From the outside. Save. Outstanding play. Nicely received at the point. On to Jordan Staal. The shot blocked. Recollected. New York's carrying it up the wing. Pass off the woodwork to Pulak. Has it back deep. Offside stops the clock. Clean win on the draw. Carolina's gliding along through the neutral zone. Perfect receipt of the pass. Score! And this one is tied.
Oh, that was a critical goal. Now the game is tied, and we'll see who can get the upper hand in the next few minutes.
Over 7 minutes gone in this period. We are at 1 goal apiece. The Hurricanes control from the neutral zone.
Scored by number 23, Brock McGinn.
Got it at the point. Big drive. Not through. Oh, snaps the shot. Great save. Tips it back. Huge hit in open ice.
You go through that area of the ice, there's a pretty good chance you're going to get hit.
Pitching it to Beauvillier. Gains the zone. Skilled play by Van Riemsdyk. Directing that one to Gauthier. Slid to Cizikas. can they miss that pass? Looking to Di Giuseppe. Feeds the point. Great take, dangerous area. Did what he's made to do. Shoots one. Terrific glove save. Works his way right up Young Street. Crashed into him in open ice. Heaves one. At least he protected his goaltender. Save. Pass attempt to lead. Cut off that pass at center ice. Intercepted it in no man's land. Dogged determination there by Fall. Laid on to Teravainen. Shoots. Gloved. And he puts the glove on it and stops play.
Leonard's battling athleticism denies the opportunity. What an effort.
Nice face-off work. New York's controlling play in the neutral zone. He works it along with a pass off the boards. Carries it on in from center. Lets it go. Save! And freezes play for the whistle.
Well, it looks like the shooter's just trying to get this puck on net. Routine stop for the goaltender, not much challenge.
Puck dropped in the logjam, and the winger reached in and got it. Takes it in from the neutral zone. Reads the play and keeps it. Lets it go. Got a piece of it. Chooses the corner. That's just a good, effective close-off.
He finishes his check here and drives his man right into the boards.
Shoots. That went off the pad. Score!
Always dangerous once you break a tie that you would sit back and try to protect the lead. I think you have to stay aggressive and play in the other end.
The Islanders now have a one-goal lead in the first period. Perhaps they can build on this and carry something sizable to the dressing room. Puck dropped and the winger stepped in to help. That's big. Crosses that line. Outstanding body contact. Fires. Great point-blank save.
The shooter thought he had a chance, but the goaltender robs him. What a stop.
And he steps across the line. Terrific determination by Hamilton. Carolina's along the wing at center ice. Lets it go. Made the save. Ooh, what a break. Shot hit the man. Inside the final minute of the period. No team worth its name is going to let that go. And now we'll get the penalty call. The teams have coincidental minor penalties.
Well, there was one penalty called on the ice, and then a second one, not a good penalty there. They would have been on a power play.
Both teams are even. Lots more ice per man. 4 against 4. New York's got that puck off the tie-out.
Lots of space 4-on-4. It always depends how aggressively the first team with the puck plays it, whether you're going to see much excitement or whether they'll be cautious and play it to a standoff.
He gains the zone. He throws it there. They score! And they've tied the game up.
That's a big goal there for them to score. They can go into the locker room feeling pretty good about themselves.
They've got the draw. Driving in from no man's land. Terrific fake. Terrific save. 20 minutes are in the books, and we have some entries on the score sheet. It'll be intriguing to see whether the marksmen have even more confidence when the second period gets started.
Every playoff game, our team score brings you our item of the game. Stay warm and stylish here at the rink with a scarf tonight priced at just...
Carolina's got the strength going into this next period on the heels of the goal they scored late in this one that tied it. We'll be right back.
Hurry, as supplies are limited.
Tie score, second period underway. Pass cut, strong play. Steals it in the attacking zone. From the slaughter wrister, wide. Steps across that line. Fires, save there. He hangs on and gets the whistle.
New York's been humming along offensively. Well, it's no wonder. Their player's been on such a significant point streak. Every game, it seems, he finds a way to create offense, whether he finishes the play himself or sets somebody else up.
Tries to get it on net. Oh, that was close.
Coach is always told to hit the net. He was trying to be way too fine with that shot, and unfortunately for him, skates away empty-handed.
Save! Fox got it in the defensive zone, headed to center. He's in on an onside play. Shoots one. Save! Now that pass has got to be better than that. Everybody has to get back. Blocked away. Skill play by Van Riemsdyk. Fires. Score!
Been a number of close chances here at either end as this continued tie game strung out. Now they've got the lead. We'll see where it takes us now.
Carolina's broken the tie and gotten back ahead, and we're still in the second period. Should be fun just to get to the end of this one. Neutralized face-off win. Nicely into the zone. Points it. And that pass really misfired, and so they must drop back. The Hurricanes continue on in the defensive zone. Chip to Jordan Staal. And a save. Takes that pass from the other point. Big drive. Save.
Leonard's the reason this game is still close. He's been excellent in goal.
Propelled to Komarov. Two guys together with force. Big force.
I wonder if that hit will change the momentum of this game.
The pass is off the mark. What a chance that would have been. It's dumped in. Collected by Van Riemsdyk. Puck is thrown to Martinuk. Leads that charge into the zone. A shot. Score! 3 straight goals.
get this close to the goaltender, the puck on your stick, you got to snap it quick.
Yeah, so that's a good shot, but the goaltender's got to stop this. This is low on the glove side. His hands have to be in position to cover just over the pad.
Carolina's ahead by 2 and thoroughly out shooting the opposition. A little under 7 minutes have been skated so far. The Hurricanes have the advantage in this one, 4 goals to 2.
Assisted by number 48.
Oh, what a hit. That slowed things down.
Love the physical play. He takes his man right into the boards with a solid hit.
Wonderful stop. Now it's directed to McGinn. Carolina's continuing to probe up the wing. Puck out of the zone, and so they'll regroup. Can start the attack going in the zone. Good save there. Pitching this one to Slavin. To Martinuk.
Martinuk's looking to add to his 2-assist game so far. He's been creating chance after chance for his teammates.
New York's in their own end setting things up. Right into the slot. Scrum over, puck hit by Bailey. Pope checked away. Solid work there by Falk. Good, solid defensive play with the stick. Passing one off now to Cizikas. Into the end of attack. Things are heating up with that hit.
That's one way to change the momentum of a hockey game. Be physical.
Scorches one. A wonderful scoring chance denied.
Leonard's not challenged at all here on this man advantage break. They should do more with it than that.
Puck drop, face off one, and the winger stepped right in. Gains that offensive line. Gathered up by Hamilton. Trying to go to Williams. Good place to shoot from. Marvelous save. A great chance was no chance. Moving it to Barzell. Good intercept to the pass.
Carolina's forced another turnover in this very close game.
Shoots it on. Turned away with the stick. Held there for a face-off coming up next.
Well, shooter can't do much more than that, guys. That's an excellent shot that he delivered to the net, but the goaltender makes the save.
We have a winner. The Islanders are skating it up at neutral ice. The shot is off. Snapping a pass to Waugh. Pitching it to Gauthier. In with it now. Gautier's tripped up. That should be a penalty. Hickey's going to the box, and the call is tripping.
I'm going to give credit to the puck carrier here. He kept his legs moving. He forced the back checker to reach in and take him off his feet.
Carolina's getting their first chance of the game on the power play.
You can turn the tide of a game on a power play whether you score or not by getting shots, by getting traffic, and by keeping the puck in the offensive zone. If you chase it up and down the ice all the time, nothing gets accomplished.
Defensive gem with the stick. The Hurricanes are driving it from the wing. Puts one on. The pad flashed out to turn that aside.
The Hurricanes see the point streak extend again. An excellent game for them, not just defensively, but offensively as the points continue to come for them on a nightly basis.
Big face-off win. A long scorcher. That puck hit him on the way to the net. Turned a shot on net. He scores! That one shows why you don't take penalties.
Hey, Doc, buckle up. we've got liftoff. This is a rocket that blasts into the net at record speeds.
Nobody's trying to shoot the puck this perfectly. You're trying to get rid of it in a hurry. Make sure you get to the net before the goalie can get set. The fact it goes off the post and in means it's a perfect shot.
Just over 3 minutes still showing on the clock this period. They've scored again. Depending on which book you read, 3 may be the most dangerous hockey lead. We'll find out. Fires. Had it away with authority. To Rask. Directing that one to Williams. Flings it. Oh, and he robbed him. New York's winging it at neutral ice. Fires a shot. Score! They're back to within 2 now.
Filppula's wrist shot was heavy and quick.
I think when he takes a look at this on video, he's going to see he was in really good position, and he just wasn't able to stop a perfect shot.
The Islanders have gotten back to within 2, so there's some hope here before the end of the second period. New York's got another face-off win. Players tired, about to get a rest. Seconds to play here, still in the second period. Looking to Aho. Pass attempt to Fairland.
36 seconds.
And it's a good pickup. And he steps across the line. Shoots one. Right in that catching glove. Good work. 40 minutes have been played. Some hits given, some shots fired. But let's see what they have in mind as we get closer to the start of the third period and crunch time. All right, time to turn to the shots on goal and look at some impressive totals. 27 for Carolina and 10 for the Islanders.
Hey fans, time for our parachute drop. If you'd like to join our Insiders Club.
The Islanders, with the scoring of this goal, have clawed their way back closer. Let's see if there's momentum from this when we continue after
Membership
this.
is free, so what are you waiting for? Join our Insiders Club today.
Two periods played, 1 period ahead. What are your thoughts so far, Eddie?
The Hurricanes have to be pleased with leading this high-scoring affair, but I'm sure their coaching staff has emphasized to them in the intermission that they have to be better defensively. If they are, they have more than enough goals to win this game.
He's got that point pass. Ranks one. They score! It's only a 1-goal game now.
He had a lot of time and space there to let that wicked shot go from far out. That is a heavyweight shot.
That just about took off the goalie's ear. Perfect shot, right in the top of the net.
New York's just 1 shot away from tying this game and maybe winning it or forcing overtime or forcing a shootout. The chances and the options are endless. Skates it into the zone. Gathered up again by Evelyn. The Islanders have it along the side at mid-ice.
47 seconds.
Gathered up again by Rask. Gathered up again by Williams. Drilled. That puck was obstructed by a screen. Grabs that pass.
The Hurricanes have forced another turnover, Doc. They've done a real nice job in that category in this close game.
Waffle boarded. With a blast. And ring more bells on that one. One after another.
These saves are all about positioning.
They won that battle in the dots. Great save. That puck is held, and the whistle stops play. A little under 4 minutes have passed. And we turn to page 32 of the broadcaster's handbook. The next goal could be a big goal. Strong wrister. Cut his glove on it. Puck is thrown to Bailey. It's an onside play. Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. And now it's directed to Jordan Stahl. Cuts that pass off. Hangs on to it in the corner. The Hurricanes are starting back in the defensive zone. Pitching this one to Fairland. A shot. Blocked. Good shooting place. Loud pad save. To Bailey. Passing one off now to Pulak. Big hit. Possession gone.
Well, that is a solid hit in the middle of the ice. The puck carrier drops his head for just a moment, and the hitter puts him in the sight lines.
Trying to go to Komarov. Knocked off the puck. Moving it to Jordan Stahl. Brings it in for an attack. A shot. Score!
Goal scorer put that puck in a shooting position, let it go and beat the goaltender clean.
Really don't know if he can do much more than that. He's in the right shape. He drops to the butterfly to cover the bottom half of the net, but this is perfect up over top of him.
A face-off win. Let's see what develops. Snapping a pass to Pulak. It's one of those restraining fouls. It's a hooking penalty, and the arm of the referee is up. The Islanders have their goalie at the bench, and they've replaced him on this delayed call. A shot. Got in front of another one.
You got to think that's a game-changing save there.
Carolina's roster goes down by one here. At least briefly, a minor penalty for hooking.
The referees are looking for this. Anytime you stop skating and reach with your stick and pull on the opponent, you're going to the penalty box.
The Islanders are activating their power play unit for the first time.
Oh, you get your power play on the ice for the first time, you can really generate some momentum, whether you score or not. Have a positive power play.
9 minutes, 59 seconds.
He's slowed down a bit, and there'll be a hooking penalty called on this one. The Hurricanes are given a hooking minor.
Well, what he was trying to do is trying to get the puck, but unfortunately for him, he reached in and hooked around the player. Off to the penalty box he goes.
Every game presents a fork-in-the-road opportunity, and this is it. It's a long 5-on-3 power play, and it begins now.
One of the biggest mistakes a 5-on-3 power play makes is they're looking for the perfect shot. The more you shoot it, the more you move the penalty killers around, and you start to tire them out.
To Lee.
Lee's passing in this game has been outstanding. He has 2 assists so far.
Carolina's in their own end, continuing on. Pitching it to Waugh. Steps in from the neutral zone. Got that! Tremendous scoring chance. On to Lee. Terrific determination by Waugh.
This is an easy game to comment on because it's been nothing but goals, goals, goals. There's not been many saves to talk about. The goaltenders have had a difficult night. Defensively, they haven't had much help either, as both teams are filling the net.
Smart recovery by McGinn. The Islanders' power play got plenty of practice that time, but no finish. And he dumps it in. The Hurricanes hopefully shifting from defense to offense in their own end. Gets in, looks over his options here. Picks it up back there. The stick can break up a play, and it just did. Nudged along by the skate. Carolina's in their own end, hopefully shifting from defense to offense here. Solid defensive play. Ran into the defense. He's lost it. Directing that one to Jordan Stahl. He throws it there. Oh, a save there. New York's on the move up the wing. Scooped up by Hamilton. Looking to Teravainen. Gains the zone. Lets a shot fly. He gets that squeeze in those pads and plays stop.
Goalies have to make a half a dozen great stops in a win. This is one on a beautiful move, but there is nowhere for the puck to go.
They win the draw. Let's see if it pays off. And fired ahead to Filppula. Is able to move on in. He banks a pass ahead. Slid to Bailey. Slid back across from one point to the other. At least he protected his goaltender. Williams is hooked, and there will be a penalty call. The Islanders guilty of a minor penalty for using the stick blade. Just a hook.
More times than not, Doc, anytime you reach in around a player's hands that has the puck, you're going to get a hooking minor.
Anything you do once, you can do twice. Let's see if that applies to this particular power play.
They've been successful before, Doc, in the game here. Let's see if they can do it again. Move the puck, get the puck to the net.
It's dumped in. Pass attempt to Teravainen. Puck is thrown to Aho. And he holds on and stops play.
Never satisfied, never take your foot off the gas pedal. He's got 2 goals now. He'd better be thinking about getting number 3.
An enormous defensive face-off win. And now it's directed to Hickey. Approaching the final minute in this game. New York's yanking their goalie. Nothing to wait for here. Punched away. Nice work by Hamilton. The Hurricanes ready in attack back in the defensive zone. Net empty. Score! What a power play these guys have.
That one should put the icing on the cake.
That's going to be too much for them to come back from. That empty netter will seal the deal.
Face-off win, and now what will they do with it?
Power play by number 20, Sebastian Aho.
Stays along the boards. Tries to get it on net. Pad save. Ooh, tough one there. Pitching this one to Barzal.
18 seconds.
They keep working hard on the boards. Passing one off now to Rask. And they are in. Shoot. Save there. And decides to just hold on and get a stoppage of play.
Oh, you know he's happy, guys. He's sitting there on the bench. He's got a couple of goals in his back pocket already. But you know he's thinking about number 3. What an achievement that would be to bang in one more.
Shoots one. Deflected off the blocker. New York setting up an offense from the wing. Lets it go. Wonderful save. 2 games, 2 victories, both by the same team. Something must change in Game 3. But will it?
The players can feel good about taking the first 2 games and building that momentum into the next game.
Tournaments are fun, especially when they get to loser goes home, winner moves on. We are at that point. Don't miss our next one. For Eddie Olczyk and Ray Ferraro, Mike Emmerich saying so long for now.